In this short video, I will show you an incredible new technology that is currently helping a random, unknown Italian marketing agency called WordLift boost their traffic by over 500% on complete autopilot. Then, I'm going to show you how you can replicate what they are doing without any extra work, skills, or talent, again and again and again, and get paid for doing just that. You see, the way they are getting 500% more traffic is by simply leveraging the new changes that Google is making to revamp their traditional search experience to allow users to explore information a lot more naturally. Now, this is the exact same thing that brands like Coca-Cola and Forbes have been using on their social media and websites to gain hundreds and thousands of views in a matter of just minutes. This is also the same thing that news anchors and news channels like BBC and CNN are using to generate millions of views every day. And this is precisely the thing that Google is absolutely, well, in love with right now. You see, in 2005, Google fell in love with YouTube videos and started ranking them #1 on their search results. Now in 2023, it is this new thing. Now I am sure you're dying to know, what is this new thing? Well, it's called Google Web Stories. These are vertical web stories, which are basically content in a short format presented in a